Welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Once again, if you haven't been here before, please hit like, hit subscribe and join the little tracker family. Today I'm going to be trying some treats which my friend Chris Goforth, sorry about the wind, I'm in the trailer and it's really windy outside. Sorry, ignore the wind, ignore the wind. Anywho, my friend Chris Goforth from the Chris Goforth channel, I'll put a link to his, well, I'll put a link in the description down below, and I'll also put in the subtitles his name, right about, let's have a look at the camera, there, somewhere. So he sent me some treats over from America for me to try. Now, Emma normally joins in on these, but she doesn't like nutty things. So I've picked out the nutty things, and she's like spicy things, I've picked out the spicy things, and I'm going to try these ones, and we'll try the other ones with Emma on a later video. Right, where do we start? First of all, it has to be the Funyuns. Flamin' hot flavoured, onion ring flavoured rings. Onion flavoured rings that are flamin' hot. That's what I mean. Anywho, yeah, this is what we're trying out next. Or first. Wow, they're dark. Crispy. Oh, got one. They're okay then. I like them. I might end up finishing the whole bag here. I like them. Wow, the heat's coming now. Woo! The heat's coming. Wow. Oh, 1 second. Cut. I'm back. They're hot. Burn the back of the throat, so I went and get a can of iron brew to put out the flames. Next, Nutty Buddy wafers with peanut butter by a company called Little Debbie. Emma's joined, by the way, but she doesn't want to be on this one because it's all.
Hi.
Do you hear that? Because it's all nuts, like me. Oh, it's a bit melty. So.
Is that really nutty?
Peanut butter.
Oh.
I think Emma should come on camera if she's going to talk. Yeah, nice. Oh, didn't give marks out of 10. Funyuns. They started off a 9, and then it went down to a 7 when they burnt my throat out. They're nice, but too hot. But I will finish that bag tonight. So that's Funyuns. What did I say, Emma? 7. End up with 7. End up with 7. 7 for them. We're a 9. The Nutty Buddy, that's melty. It wasn't that peanutty, I thought. 6. 6 out of 10 for that one. Next, a handmade Pecan Log Roll. Pecan Log Roll. Handmade one. Artisan. Ooh, smells nice. That's good. I don't know what's in the middle of it. What's in the middle of it? Emma, help.
That's like nugget, isn't it?
Okay. Emma says it's a soft nugget.
My bad.
Are you finishing making noises? Quiet on set! Thank you. It's like a soft nugget, or what do you call it? A nougat in America.
Oh, yes.
Or a nougat, do you call it nougat? Nugget, what do you call it? But yeah. That is delicious. another one that I might finish off right now. Back in a minute. Okay, I'm back again. The Pecan Log Roll, handmade, what's it on the packet? Old-fashioned country candies. That, I don't know how I'm going to top it, because that 10, wooga, I can't go higher than a 10 though, and if something else is higher than 10, like this has got that written all over it, it could have to be a joint 10. Could go up to 11, but then that could be 11. Anywho, maximum scores for the Pecan Log Roll. Beautiful. Next up, Fritos Chili Cheese flavoured corn chips. These are going to burn again, aren't they? The smell has burnt my nose. Woo! Oh, they've got a great texture. They're nice, not too hot. They taste like nacho cheese. Emma?
Yeah.
Would you like some that tastes like nacho cheese?
Oh, I like nacho cheese. I like,
do you want to try?
Hot warm cheese.
Oh, she's coming. Tastes like nacho cheese?
Sit down.
What kind of cheese can never be yours? Nacho cheese.
What's this, chili
Sorry.
cheese?
Yeah, so is the nacho cheese at the pictures at the cinema. It's got a little bit of chili in.
Oh, I see now. I need to
Yeah,
go to the
come on.
origin.
Mm-hmm. She's taking chewing gum out of her mouth. That's why she went off camera. They're nice. I would dip them in salsa. Emma takes a hell of a long time
Because I need the
to actually decide.
Yeah, they're edible.
They're edible, of course, they're edible.
Yeah, they're right. You're not oily cheese.
No. I'm saying they're not hot.
No. They're very,
Nacho cheesy.
I don't know how much I could actually eat.
That's what I'm saying, dipped in salsa.
But they're very, like, I think it's salty, but like a, no, yeah.
Like nacho cheese.
I could probably eat a lot more when we're in
With
the,
salsa.
not like with silver, but I need a little bit more medium cheese things too. Me soft cheese
So you want to dip that
in cheese.
into nacho cheese.
Mm-hmm. Ah, there's, yes. Hot warm cheese. Mmm. Melty cheese.
Anywho, do you want to stay for the rest?
No. I'm busy in the office.
Be gone! Yes! Me and Emma have both decided that these would be better with a dip.
Nachos now.
And then she wants nachos now. We've both decided to be better with a dip. And both scored them a 7. They will be devoured later on. Next up, we have Snowballs without the W. So it's Snubbles.
What?
Snubbles? I know it says Snowballs, but I forgot the W. Snubbles. Emma's laughing because she says they look like a pair of boobies. And people think I'm the immature one. Anywho, these are very soft. These are coconut and marshmallow covered chocolate cake.
That's not what, oh, they sound really nice, but then coconut was like, ah.
With a creamy filling. I thought it was just a... it's got... Look, Emma.
What?
Look, people. It's got chocolate on the bottom.
Oh. Can you peel that stuff off the top?
Yes, you can. You can peel that stuff off.
I can bite it
Look.
inside then.
You can peel it off. I'm going to have a... They're nice. I like coconut, but it's the coconut that's spoiling them. Because the desiccated coconut, so it dries your mouth. I'm not so sure now. I'm going to try and peel it. Oh, there's a creamy filling, look. It's like the stuff that's inside of a Twinkie. Emma's watching me. Emma just had to try the chocolate cake filling, middle bit, and she says the same as me, it's a bit dry. But the creamy bit in the middle is a bit like what's inside of a Twinkie, which is nice. I'm just not sure. I wouldn't buy one out the shop if I seen one. I wouldn't purposely, oh, I want one of them Snowballs. Our Snowballs over here are much nicer. Over here, our Snowballs are sort of like a biscuity base with soft, really soft, fluffy marshmallow, like which hasn't set quite right. It's like a, you know, Emma's in the background because she's not quite sure what I mean.
Send.
It's like, no, we didn't send Chris one, unfortunately. No, sent tonics tea cakes, but can I finish filming, please? Thank you.
Just having a conversation.
Quiet on set! Shh. Anywho, it's weird having an audience. That isn't you. Anywho, our marshmallows, our Snowballs, the inside is like an uncooked marshmallow. It's very sticky, and you understand what I'm saying? And then it's got a thin chocolate layer, and then the desiccated coating on top of that. Our Snowballs are nicer. Sorry, America. Good old USA. Ours is much better. Scores for the Snowballs, or Snubbles, since you forgot the W. 4 or a 5. They're not horrible. I would say 5. We'll go for 5. I wouldn't purposely go out and buy one, but I will eat them, and I will finish that last one off because I'm a pig. Last but surely not least, we have the Reeses Nutrageous King Size. I have a feeling this is going to be good. Straight away, the peanut smell. I'm surprised Emma cannot smell it from the other side of the trailer. She didn't say caravan. What? Nothing. Sorry about that. My camera battery went flat. Camera battery went flat. Got there in the end. Where was I? Yes. The smell of peanuts off this is unbelievable. So strong. Oh yeah, if your point of view's changed ever so slightly, it's because I had to pick the camera up and move it and put you back down. So you might have just jumped. Never mind. Anyway. That's good. Peanut butter, caramel, and peanuts. Very good. I thought this was going to be a 10, but it's not as nice as that pecan log. 9.5. Got a 9.5 for that one because that pecan log, that was out of this world. Thanks, Chris. I'm now going to crave those, and we can't get them here. Well, folks, that's the end of this video, or this tasting video. I've tried all the nutty stuff that Emma wouldn't like, hence I've done it by myself. I know we've had a little cameo once in a while off her. Clear winner, the pecan log. Unbelievable. Yeah, I'm going to crave that forever now, and I'll not be able to get another one until I go to San Antonio, and I don't know when that's going to be. Huh. Downer. Anywho, that's the first of, I think, 3 videos in this little series of the stuff that Chris has sent It's either the 4th or 5th American treat video, but in this little series, this is the first one. Like I say, the nutty stuff and the chili stuff. Our next video is going to be things like potato skins, fudge covered Twinkies, oatmeal cream pie, Tootsie Rolls, etc, etc, which Emma's going to join in on because she will probably like all that sort of stuff. Hence I've left that lot separate. And we're going to have a cooking with Emma and apparently Terry. Yeah, there she goes, and Terry. We're going to try and cook these things. So we're going to have sweet corn muffins, so we're going to have cornbread, biscuits. America, these aren't biscuits. Keep saying. Anywho, yeah, American biscuits and country sausage flavour gravy mix. So we're going to have a savoury cooking with Emma and Terry video. Oops, yes, I've got one back at front. I've been told off the audience.
Just letting you know.
Yeah, we're going to cook those, have a go at those and try them on one video, and then the other sweet treats with Emma on a different video. So we're going to have 3 in this series. What are you laughing at? I tried to count on this finger.
Why did you swap that?
Because I find it easier to do 3 like this than...
You can put 3 on that hand.
Yeah, but it's like harder for us to do it with this hand.
Okay.
I'm right-handed, that's easier than going...
Wait, just do that, 3. Keep the little ones down. Keep the little ones down. No. Put
3.
your pinky in the ring. Down.
3.
Put your pinky in your ring down. And put your one up. Yeah, no, and down.
3.
And down.
Emma's trying to teach me how to say 3. 3. 1, 2, 3.
Put it there. That's the easiest way to do 3.
There, she wants to do it like that, but I do it like that.
With your left hand.
I do it like that.
But you farted.
There. Okay. Okay. Anywho, didn't know it was an audience participation video. Thanks for watching. See you all tomorrow. Now it's time to do your job. And now it's time for me to finish eating these sweeties.